manifest anything you want instantly. I mean, it's better than magic. And I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, it's taken a lot of time, a lot of pondering, a lot of meditation to come up with the decision that we came up with. But on June 19th, the eve of the summer solstice, everything is perfect for one thing. I'm going to manifest for you. Now, I'm not doing it for everybody that's following me. We have over 1 million people, but for a small select group of people, I will manifest for you. I don't care what it is, as long as it's legal and as long as it doesn't hurt someone else. So if it's legal and it doesn't hurt someone else, I'll manifest for you. Spend 2 hours with me and my manifesting team on Zoom, and you and I are going to manifest exactly what you desire. Well, actually, all you have to do is sit back and relax and just let me do the work. Okay? I want to, if you've been struggling, you know what I'm talking about. If you've been struggling, this is for you. Go to iwillmanifestforyou.com. iwillmanifestforyou.com. Now, I have a limited number of openings. I'm keeping this relatively small, so check it out. So if you follow TikTok and Instagram and YouTube and all the other channels, you'll notice that there's now a plethora of life coaches all over the place. Some of these people aren't even 18, 19 years of age, and they're life coaching. Isn't that nice? Well, anyway, lots of the techniques they're kind of vague. You know, say this affirmation 10,000 times and you'll get what you want. Oh, well, you only said it 9,999 times. That's why it didn't work. Or just visualize. Just visualize. But they're not telling you what to visualize. They're not telling you how to visualize. Or be grateful. But again, they're not sharing with you how to be grateful. In this video, we're going to use a technique that comes from neuro-linguistic programming called future pacing. And it's extremely powerful. I've used it for years. I use it in coaching. And I'm going to tell you, this is going to help you get what you want instantly. Now, one of the most powerful ways to help you get what you want was actually developed in the 1970s by Richard Bandler and John Grinder. And they put out a number of books. These are two that I could grab right away from my library. But they studied some of the best therapists and hypnotherapists of that time. And they developed a system called neuro-linguistic programming. So future pacing used in NLP involves kind of rehearsing your desired outcome. And when you rehearse it, you get better at it. You get more confident, and it becomes easier to manifest. Now, I'm going to share with you 8 easy steps. I know it sounds like a lot, 8, but they're really easy. 8 easy steps to use future pacing right now to manifest whatever it is you desire. That new home, that dream vacation, that new car, your specific person, save your marriage, better health. It really doesn't make any difference. You can use future pacing right now. One of the things that you're going to find that future pacing does when used with the law of attraction is it speeds up manifestation. I mean, it makes the manifestation happen fast. So, high flyers, Let's go through these 8 steps, because if you'll write them down, if you'll take the time to learn this, you can manifest whatever it is that you're manifesting, and you can manifest it very, very fast. Number 1 is define your intentions. What is it that you intend to manifest in your life? You need to be able to clearly articulate what it is you desire to have. I mean, it has to be clear. Don't just say, I want a boyfriend. Don't just say, I want to get married. Articulate what kind of wedding you want to have. Articulate what kind of person you desire to get married to. Fill in the details. Be as clear as you possibly can. Don't just say, I want a new home. Say, I want a new home that's a country rambler and it's got a pool in the backyard and a big tree and a swing set, whatever. Define it. Get it as clear as you possibly can. Avoid affirmations like, I want to be successful, and use affirmations such as, I am earning $10,000 a month in my new business venture. You see, that's more specific, that's more focused. So make your affirmations and your self-talk focused. Visualize your desired outcome. In other words, you can do this. Look at people think that they have to go lay down and put on music and light candles and ring bells. You don't have to do all that. I can close my eyes right now and I can visualize very clearly something I desire to manifest, something I desire to bring into the 3D. You can do it almost any place, anytime. Wayne Dyer used to say, do it at the stoplight. The guy behind you will let you know when it's time to stop visualizing. But here's the key. You want to involve your sights, sounds, motion, feeling. Yeah, feeling. You want to put feeling into your visualization. You want to feel as if it's real, as if you already have what you deeply desire. Make your visualization as detailed and as vivid as you possibly can. Now, some people are going to say, I don't visualize very well. That's okay. Just do your best. The main thing is feel it. Feel it. If you can't see it in your mind, feel it in your body. Which brings me to number 3, engage your emotions. Emotions are powerful when it comes to the law of attraction. Feel joy and excitement and enthusiasm and happiness and all the kinds of things that you would feel if you got what you wanted. Because, look, some people say, I'll feel it when I get it. But the truth is, you need to feel it now in order to get it. In other words, feel the excitement of already having it. Well, high flyers, number 4 is use affirmations and positive self-talk. I can't emphasize this enough. People say, well, Robert, you're against affirmations. No, I've written a book on affirmations. I love affirmations. I love when you state an affirmation and you feel it, and you feel it as if it's already yours. I like affirmations that are I am, or I feel, or we are affirmations. Those are powerful affirmations that will help you transcend from the state of wanting to the state of having. I am successfully running my own online business and earning $10,000 a month. There's an affirmation. It's present tense, and it uses the definition of your intention. That's much different than those vague affirmations of I am successful. I am a happy camper. They're okay, but they're not going to get you where you want to go. Number 5, take inspired action. Every day, look for something that you can do that will bring you closer to your desired goal, to your desired outcome. Rachel's sitting over here. She can verify this. We've been working on a goal for about, 5 years now? And it hasn't been a primary goal. It's been a secondary goal. But every every month, every couple of months, we take inspired action on it. Guess what? Our goal, our intention has come. It's now manifested, and we're prepared for it because we've been rehearsing it and we've taken inspired action over the years. Now, I don't expect you to set goals years in advance when it comes to relationships and things like that. But what kind of inspired action can you take on yourself on improving who you are? See, you can do that every day. Number 6 is believe and trust. You need to have faith in the process. If every moment you're doubting the process, you're doubting the situation, you're worrying, you're wondering, when is it going to happen? Then you are sabotaging yourself. You need to understand, listen to me. The universe always says yes. It's you and I who say no. Stop saying no and start agreeing with the universe and say yes. Number 7 is live in alignment. Make your decisions and the things that you say and the feelings that you feel all congruent, all in alignment. If you say one thing and do something else, you're not in alignment with your intention and you're sabotaging yourself. Don't start walking around going, oh, it's never going to happen. This is never going to take place. She's never going to call me. We're never going to get back together. You're sabotaging yourself. Work in alignment. And number 8 is what I call future pace gratitude. This is where you are grateful for the things that haven't even happened yet that you are manifesting. I'm so grateful that I have an incredible marriage and that we are together in a deep, loving bond. I'm so grateful that we're moving into a new home with extra bedrooms and a bigger yard. I'm so grateful that money's coming into my life from unexpected sources. I love the vibration of money. You see, gratitude, but it's future pace gratitude. It's moving into the future as if you already have it and then being grateful for it. Look, if you'll do these 8 suggestions, you will manifest instantly beyond your wildest dreams. I do mean that. But if that's not enough, if you still need more, you're going to want to watch this next video coming up. It's just for you.